In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fuse champions here in Raid Shadow Legends. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, fusion essentially means you're going to be combining specific champions to create a stronger one, usually a higher rarity one, and some fusions are always going to be available while others are limited time events, so you need to keep that in mind. But first things first, what you need to do is find the portal over here and make sure that you open this up, and once you open it up, go ahead and make your way over to the Fusion Lab. So select Fusion on the right hand side, and you're going to see the ability to fuse all of your champions and all the available fusions that you can do. So obviously collect the required champions first. Each fusion will need specific units, so you're usually going to have to rank them up and of course level them up first. But for example, an epic fusion might require 4 rare champions at a certain rank and level first. Now, once everything's ready, go back to the fusion menu, complete the fusion, unlock the final champion, and that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.